Hi, this is Dr. Ferris with Indy Spine and Balance, and we have equipped our office with a bunch of new equipment. I'm going to highlight today what new equipment we have in our office. So, the 3 C's of this equipment are it's computerized, which we'll talk about, it's comfortable to the patient, and it's very consistent. So, we're going to talk about those 3 things with the new adjusting equipment that we have in our office. So, the computerized portion is we can go into the system and we can look at the neck area, the upper back, the head area, the lumbar, and then we can also go into other joints in the body. We can look at the shoulder, the elbow. And so if we click on one of those, then we can go over very specific protocols for that region. And that's the computerized portion. The consistency is obviously instead of delivering a manual adjustment, which happens in a split second, with the equipment that we now have, it ramps up in both frequency and intensity. So we're actually able to deliver more newtons of force with this piece of equipment than I can do with a manual adjustment. So we can improve that joint function to a greater degree, but with more comfort to the patient. So you're gonna see in just a moment, and you're gonna hear a ramping motion with this instrument. So I'm just gonna put it on and you're gonna hear it. So what you couldn't feel, but what you could hear is that it started pulsing at a higher amount and it got louder. So what it was doing is it was adding more newtons of force as it ramped up. And so that just gradually loosens up the joint more and more, and it does it very comfortable for patients. So when I was looking at adding equipment to our office, I was looking for ways to make things more comfortable for more patients, and also very consistent because we can deliver a very consistent adjustment each time. So we're looking also we have lots of different attachments, whether we're working on the facet joints or the discs, or if we're working on certain joints in the extremities or different areas, we have different ways of inputting that force to make it very comfortable and very effective. So we've already had great results with patients already, improving joint mobility and function and doing it a lot more comfortable to the patient. So we're excited to add this new equipment to the office. Stay tuned for other videos where we talk about other equipment that we've recently added.